Before buying an off-road hoverboard, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many look flashy and claim to be tough, but the real difference in performance is often hidden below the surface. Product number 1. Euroer G13 All-Terrain. First up is the Euroer G13 All-Terrain Balancing Scooter. Priced at $169.99. This one caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 2,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want a fun and safe ride for both kids and adults, this is worth a serious look. What stands out is its UL 2272 certification, meaning it meets strict safety standards. The 6.5-inch all-terrain tires make it perfect for dirt, grass, and gravel, addressing your need for a reliable ride on various surfaces. Plus, it's powered by dual 250W motors that can climb hills up to 15 degrees and reach speeds of 7.75 miles per hour, which is fantastic for adventurous kids age 6 to 12 and adults alike. The battery lasts up to 8 miles on a single charge, so you won't be stuck waiting around, and you can enjoy riding while jamming to your favorite tunes, thanks to its Bluetooth speaker and LED lights. Now, some users have mentioned that the battery life can diminish over time with heavy use. Here's the thing though, it's still reasonable for casual riding, and the fun factor is high enough to offset that concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and fun hoverboard for kids and adults. Skip this one if you plan to embark on extremely rugged terrains often. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the battery life concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Euroer Warrior. Next is the Euroer Warrior 8.5-inch all-terrain off-road scooter. Coming in at $299.99, it has a 4.4-star rating from over 5,400 reviews, making it another strong contender. If you're after a robust performance on all terrains, this is definitely worth considering. The Warrior features solid 8.5-inch tires, which provide a smoother ride on grass, dirt, and gravel, addressing your need for versatility. It's built from UL-approved materials, ensuring durability and safety during your rides. The onboard Bluetooth speaker is a nice touch for music lovers, turning each ride into a mini concert. Plus, the self-balancing technology helps new riders feel secure and confident quickly, which is a huge plus if you're just starting out. However, some customers have pointed out that it can feel a bit heavy for younger riders. Here's the thing though, if you're an adult or a teen, the weight provides better stability and control. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable all-terrain hoverboard with great features for older kids and adults. Skip this one if you're specifically looking for something lightweight. It offers good value for the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to customize their ride. Product number 3, Flytrax K2 Go-Kart. Now let's talk about the Flytrax K2 self-balancing scooter go-kart. Priced at $79.99. This isn't a hoverboard, but an attachment that transforms your existing self-balancing scooter into a go-kart. It's a unique option that caught my attention, especially for those looking for a different riding experience. This attachment allows for smoother rides with its dual shock absorption system, addressing your need for comfort on uneven surfaces. It fits most models with 6.5 to 10-inch wheels and supports up to 265 pounds, making it versatile for various riders. The adjustable length means it can grow with your child, and assembly is quick, taking about 5 to 10 minutes. You also get to enjoy a fun karting experience without needing a separate vehicle. However, some reviews mention that it might not be as easy to maneuver for younger kids. But here's the thing, it's great for older children and adults who want a thrill, and it's a safe way to ride for those who may struggle with balance. This is perfect for you if you already own a hoverboard and want to expand its functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for a standalone hoverboard experience. For the price, it's an excellent deal. Now, if a full hoverboard experience is what you're after, the next option could be right up your alley. Product number 4, LIAGLE Hoverboard. Next up, we have the LIAGLE Hoverboard priced at $239.99. With a 4.2-star rating from over 6,300 reviews, It's a solid option for those wanting a reliable ride. If you need a hoverboard that delivers on safety and fun, this one is worth a look. This hoverboard features 8.5-inch solid tires that make it easy to tackle various terrains safely, which is especially important if you're riding in more rugged areas. The built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you connect your devices quickly, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes while riding. And its user-friendly design makes it easy to learn, so whether you're a beginner or experienced, you can have a blast. Some users did mention that the battery could be slow to charge. Here's the thing, though. If you're not in a rush, the ride quality and features definitely make the wait worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a hoverboard that combines safety with entertainment for both kids and adults. Skip this one if you need something that charges quickly before every outing. It provides decent value for the features you get. Now, if you want something to enhance your hoverboard experience even further, check out the final product on my list. Product number 5. His Hind Go-Kart Attachment. Finally, we have the His Hind Hoverboard Go-Kart Attachment, priced at $105.99. With a 4.3-star rating for 119 reviews. This is another great accessory for those wanting to change things up. If you're looking for a way to make riding safer and more fun for kids, this attachment is a great option. This go-kart attachment features a dual shock absorption system that makes every ride smooth, which is crucial if you're going over bumpy terrain. The frame can hold up to 265 pounds, accommodating both kids and adults, and the adjustable length means it can fit various riders comfortably. Assembly is straightforward, which makes it easier to get going without much hassle. Some customers found it a bit challenging to assemble initially, but I feel that once it's set up, the fun it offers far outweighs that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want to give your kids a fun, new way to ride safely. Skip this if you're looking for a traditional hoverboard experience. The value is definitely there for the added fun factor. So, to wrap it all up, the Euro or G13 is great for beginners. The Warrior offers a sturdier option. The Flytrax K2 provides a fun karting experience. The LIEGLE is a solid all-rounder, and the His Hind Go-Kart adds a unique twist. No matter which one you choose, each has its strengths that cater to different needs and preferences.